The Norwegian Gem just launched a major renovation, and after spending 7 nights aboard this impressive ship, I can tell you it's completely transformed the cruising experience. This isn't your typical cruise review where someone spent 1 night and calls it comprehensive research. Having sailed on over 30 different cruise ships in the past 5 years, I was genuinely curious to see how Norwegian's latest updates would stack up against the competition. The Gem has been sailing since 2007, but don't let that fool you into thinking it's outdated. The recent multimillion-dollar refurbishment has breathed new life into every corner of this vessel. From completely redesigned staterooms to brand new dining venues, Norwegian has clearly listened to passenger feedback and made some serious improvements. What struck me immediately was how they've managed to maintain that classic cruise ship charm while incorporating modern amenities that today's travelers expect. The ship carries just over 2,400 passengers, which hits that sweet spot of being large enough for variety but small enough that you won't feel lost in a floating city. Let me walk you through exactly what you can expect if you're considering booking passage on the Norwegian Gem, starting with where you'll be laying your head each night. The stateroom situation on the Gem is honestly impressive, especially after the recent renovations. Norwegian offers 4 main categories, and each one has been thoughtfully designed with real travelers in mind, not just marketing brochures. Inside, staterooms start at 142 square feet, which sounds tiny but feels surprisingly spacious thanks to clever storage solutions and updated lighting. The beds are comfortable, the bathroom actually has decent water pressure, and the new smart TV system works without the usual cruise ship technical difficulties. Oceanview cabins bump you up to around 150 square feet and include a porthole that actually opens, something you don't see on newer ships. There's something satisfying about getting fresh ocean air without having to trek up to the deck at 6 in the morning. The balcony staterooms are where things get interesting. At roughly 205 square feet including the balcony, these rooms offer genuine value for money. The private balconies are deep enough for 2 chairs and a small table, perfect for morning coffee or evening cocktails without fighting crowds on the main decks. Suite guests get the royal treatment with spaces ranging from 285 to over 400 square feet. The Haven Suites include access to the exclusive Haven complex, which is essentially a ship within a ship. You get a private pool, dedicated restaurant, and concierge service that actually knows your name by day 2. What impressed me most was the attention to accessibility. Norwegian has clearly invested in making sure guests with mobility needs aren't treated as an afterthought. The accessible staterooms are properly designed, not just regular rooms with grab bars slapped on the walls. Family suites deserve special mention because they actually work for real families, not just the perfect families you see in cruise line advertisements. These interconnecting rooms give parents and kids space to spread out without requiring a second mortgage to afford. Now let's talk about food, because let's be honest, that's half the reason most of us choose one cruise over another. The Norwegian Gem doesn't disappoint in this department, though some venues definitely outshine others. The main dining rooms, Al-Azhar and Magenta, serve solid American and international cuisine with rotating menus that don't get boring over a week-long cruise. The service is attentive without being overbearing, and they actually remember dietary restrictions without you having to explain them every single meal. Cagney Steakhouse is where Norwegian shows off a bit. The steaks are genuinely good, cooked exactly as ordered, and the wine list won't bankrupt you. Yes, there's an additional charge, but the quality justifies the cost, especially compared to what you'd pay for similar food on land. The Bistro offers French cuisine that's surprisingly authentic. The escargot actually tastes like it came from a proper French kitchen, not a cruise ship galley. The atmosphere feels intimate despite being on a ship with thousands of other passengers. The Garden Cafe buffet has been completely redesigned, and it shows. Gone are the days of sneeze guards and mystery meat. The food stations are clearly labeled, regularly refreshed, and offer genuine variety beyond the usual cruise ship suspects. Teppanyaki provides dinner and a show with skilled chefs who know how to entertain without being annoying. The food is fresh, portions are generous, and the steak selection is better than expected. Book early because tables fill up fast. O'Sheehan's Neighborhood Bar and Grill operates 24 hours, which is a godsend for late-night munchies or early risers who want breakfast before the buffet opens. The fish and chips are surprisingly good, and the atmosphere feels like your neighborhood pub rather than a cruise ship restaurant. The coffee situation deserves mention because cruise ship coffee is usually terrible. Norwegian has partnered with Seattle's Best, and while it's not going to win any awards, it's definitely drinkable without requiring 3 sugars and a prayer. Pool areas on cruise ships can make or break your sea days, and the Gem gets this mostly right. The main pool deck offers enough space for everyone without feeling like a sardine can, even on busy days. The main pool itself isn't Olympic-sized, but it's deep enough for actual swimming rather than just standing around. The surrounding deck has plenty of lounge chairs, though prime spots still disappear early on sunny days. What sets the Gem apart is the adults-only Spice H2O area. This isn't just a token gesture toward grown-ups who want peace and quiet. The space includes its own pool, hot tubs, and dedicated bar service with comfortable seating that doesn't require you to hover vulture-like over departing guests. The hot tubs throughout the ship are properly maintained and actually hot, which isn't always a given on cruise ships. They are positioned to offer ocean views without feeling exposed to every passerby on deck. Pool service is attentive without being pushy. Servers regularly make rounds offering drinks and snacks, and they remember your preferences after the first day. The frozen cocktails are properly mixed and reasonably priced for cruise ship standards. The deck space around the pools includes plenty of shaded areas for those who want to be near the action without baking in the sun. The layout flows well, so you're not constantly navigating around other guests to get anywhere. When it comes to activities, the Norwegian Gem strikes a nice balance between having enough to do without overwhelming you with choices. The fitness center has been updated with modern equipment that actually works properly. The rock climbing wall provides genuine challenge for both beginners and experienced climbers. Safety equipment is well maintained, and staff members are properly trained to assist rather than just stand around looking bored. Basketball and volleyball courts offer space for friendly competition, though don't expect NBA quality surfaces. The courts are adequate for casual games and provide a nice change of pace from typical cruise activities. The jogging track circles the ship and offers surprisingly good ocean views while you exercise. It's properly marked for distance, though you'll need to share space with walkers who aren't always paying attention to track etiquette. Evening entertainment ranges from solid to spectacular. The main theater hosts production shows that are genuinely entertaining rather than just something to kill time. The performers are talented, costumes are elaborate, and sound systems actually work properly. Live music venues throughout the ship offer everything from jazz to classic rock. Musicians are skilled professionals rather than cruise ship refugees, and they take requests seriously rather than just playing the same setlist every night. The casino is spacious and well-ventilated, important considerations for anyone who's been trapped in a smoky ship casino before. Game selection is comprehensive, dealers are friendly, and the comp system actually provides value for regular players. The spa and wellness facilities on the Norwegian Gem represent a significant upgrade from older cruise ship standards. The Mandara Spa offers treatments that feel like genuine therapy rather than assembly line pampering. Treatment rooms are properly soundproofed, so you won't hear conversations from neighboring rooms during your massage. Therapists are skilled professionals who adjust pressure and technique based on your needs rather than following a one-size-fits-all approach. The thermal suite includes steam rooms, saunas, and heated loungers that provide real relaxation value. Access fees are reasonable considering what you get, and the space rarely feels overcrowded even on busy sea days. Fitness classes range from basic yoga to high-intensity interval training. Instructors are properly certified and modify exercises for different fitness levels rather than assuming everyone is a gym regular. The spa's retail area offers products you might actually want to buy rather than just overpriced cruise ship souvenirs. Prices are reasonable, and staff provide genuine recommendations based on your skin type and concerns. Salon services include everything from basic haircuts to full styling for special occasions. Stylists understand different hair types and textures, important for diverse cruise passengers who need more than basic services. The relaxation areas throughout the spa provide quiet spaces to decompress before and after treatments. These aren't afterthoughts but properly designed spaces with comfortable seating and calming atmospheres. For families traveling with children, the Norwegian Gem offers facilities that actually keep kids entertained rather than just warehoused. The kids' club areas are spacious, well-equipped, and staffed by counselors who seem to genuinely enjoy working with children. Age-appropriate programming means your 5-year-old won't be stuck in activities designed for teenagers, and vice versa. Activities are creative and engaging rather than just supervised television time. The teen areas provide space for older kids to hang out without feeling like they're in a daycare center. Gaming systems, comfortable seating, and age-appropriate activities give teenagers reasons to participate rather than just complaining about being bored. Family-friendly amenities throughout the ship show Norwegian understands that traveling with kids requires thoughtful planning. High chairs in restaurants, family restrooms, and stroller-friendly pathways make logistics easier for parents. Supervised activities give parents opportunities to enjoy adult time without worrying about their children's safety or entertainment. Staff-to-child ratios are reasonable, and emergency procedures are clearly established and communicated. Special events for families create shared experiences that don't feel forced or artificial. Deck parties, movie nights, and interactive games bring families together naturally rather than through mandatory participation. The ports of call and shore excursion options available through Norwegian Gem itineraries offer genuine variety rather than just the usual tourist traps. Caribbean routes include both popular destinations and lesser-known gems that provide authentic cultural experiences. Mediterranean itineraries balance major cities with smaller ports that offer intimate glimpses into local life. Shore excursions range from basic bus tours to active adventures that get you off the beaten path. What impressed me was the quality of local guides provided through Norwegian's shore excursion program. These aren't just people reading scripts but knowledgeable locals who share genuine insights about their communities. Pricing for shore excursions is competitive with independent tour operators, and the convenience of booking through the ship provides peace of mind for travelers who prefer structured experiences. The ship's shore excursion staff provides detailed information about each port, including practical tips about currency, customs, and local etiquette. This preparation makes independent exploration more successful for adventurous travelers. Port schedules allow adequate time for exploration without feeling rushed. Early arrival and late departure times give passengers genuine opportunities to experience destinations rather than just checking them off a list. Taking a step back to evaluate the Norwegian Gem overall, this ship delivers solid value for money without trying to be everything to everyone. The recent renovations address most of the issues that plagued earlier versions of this vessel. Service quality is consistently good across all areas of the ship. Staff members are properly trained, adequately staffed, and seem to take pride in their work rather than just going through the motions. The ship's size provides variety without overwhelming crowds. You can find quiet spaces when you want solitude and social areas when you're feeling gregarious. Food quality exceeds expectations for cruise ship dining, though some venues definitely outperform others. The variety ensures most dietary preferences and restrictions can be accommodated without major hassles. Entertainment options provide genuine value rather than just killing time between meals. Production shows, live music, and activities are professionally executed and genuinely entertaining. Areas for improvement include inconsistent Wi-Fi performance and occasional maintenance issues in older sections of the ship that haven't been fully renovated. These are minor complaints rather than deal breakers. What makes the Norwegian Gem stand out from competitors is its successful balance of classic cruise ship charm with modern amenities. This isn't a floating theme park or a sterile modern vessel, but a ship that feels like a proper cruise experience. The Haven Suite complex provides genuine luxury for guests willing to pay premium prices. This ship-within-a-ship concept offers exclusivity without making other passengers feel like second-class citizens. Norwegian's freestyle cruising concept works well on the Gem. Dress codes are relaxed, dining times are flexible, and the overall atmosphere encourages relaxation rather than rigid scheduling. The ship's itinerary options provide genuine variety, from Caribbean sunshine to Mediterranean culture. Route planning shows thoughtful consideration of passenger interests rather than just convenient scheduling. Staff training emphasizes genuine hospitality rather than scripted interactions. Crew members remember passenger preferences and provide personalized service that enhances the overall experience. For business travelers or groups needing meeting space, the Norwegian Gem offers adequate conference facilities without trying to compete with dedicated business hotels. Meeting rooms are properly equipped with modern technology and professional support staff. Event spaces can accommodate everything from small business meetings to large celebrations. Catering options are flexible and reasonably priced for shipboard standards. The business center provides necessary services like printing, internet access, and office supplies for travelers who need to stay connected during their cruise. Guest experience highlights from the Norwegian Gem consistently center around personalized service and attention to detail. Passengers regularly mention crew members who remember names, preferences, and special occasions without being prompted. Surprise amenities like complimentary room upgrades, special dietary accommodations, and celebration acknowledgments create positive memories that extend beyond the cruise itself. These touches feel genuine rather than calculated marketing efforts. The ship's ability to handle special requests from dietary restrictions to mobility needs demonstrates Norwegian's commitment to inclusive cruising rather than one-size-fits-all approaches. Overall, the Norwegian Gem represents solid value in today's cruise market, offering modern amenities and classic cruise ship atmosphere without breaking the bank or overwhelming passengers with unnecessary complexity.